Hello guys, how are you? So today I will deal with 1.3 n. If 3 to the power 9x equals to 64 and 5 root of p equals to 64. But I calculated the value by far, you know. So guys, get grade 12. Yeah, exam ya bona. So how does a member botle and see hore resolve bjang. Right, let's go. So here the given refill hore 3 to the power 9x ke bokae ke 64 ne re ka try go deala ka dilo tse ka di 11 up until re bona re ka kry solution ya rena ne. So accordingly, if you know 3 to the power 9x equals to 64, so 64 ha re ka change ha re ka ngwala bjang. So others who can say 64 is the same as 2 to the power 6 ne, and then 2 to the power 6 is the same as 2 to the power 3 times 2. I get 3 times 2 if I if 60 if 6, right? So this can be the same as 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. I get so yaba 8 to the power 2 or 4 to the power 3. Like one. So we can choose a one else one, right? So if take 4 to the power 3, right, and say 3 to the power 9x is equals to 4 to the power 3. Why won't I start again? Okay, and then 9x is what, guys? You know 9 is what? 9 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 or 9 to the power 1. So it's the same as 3 to the power 3x times what? Times 3 equals to 4 to the power 3. So if we can check this very carefully, this can be written as 3 to the power 3x to the power 3 is 4 to the power what? To the power 3. But if we can check the exponent that's out, so we quit in the base 3 again. So it's the same as what? As 3 to the power 3x is equals to what? Is equals to 4. Like one numbers, guys. Like 4. So already try to close 3 to the power 9x equals to 64. I simplify a further and up until I find 3 to the power 3x equals to what? Equals to 4. Like numbers, guys. So already no, so 3 to the power 3x equals to what? Equals to 4. Right? And then hopefully double filling yana ever calculate the value and get this one. Ne? So mama tomo we bone pila guys akere. You wanna ntse byang? Into get 3 to the power 3 to the power x, sorry, minus 1, so open bracket, to the power 3 over root of 5 to the power root of p. Like one numbers, guys. So we can times everything yelling gamma. So we create 3 to the power 3x minus 3. So minus 3 over what? Over root of 5 to the power root of what? Of p. Right? So this guys, it can reverse. I will say something about this one. Ne? I reverse. I create here. It can as 3 to the power 3x times 3 to the power minus 3. I get here times the base out one. I add the exponent. I get. So if you times the base it, I add the exponent, it will set to what? To 3 to the power 3x minus what? Minus 3. I get over what? Over root of 5 to the power root of what? Of p. So but now hope like something, guys. Remember, it's 3 to the power 3x le 4. So 3 to the power 3x or 3 to the power 3x reka substitute rabia 4, right? So reka 4 times 3 to the power minus 3 again over what? Over root of 5 root of p. So since already like la bona se fitlhe mo guys, already mo dimo se tse re ditse ka yona ha re dileng ka ya mo fatshe. Ha ka lebella mo fatshe pila guys ne. Ya mo fatshe ba re file ke root of 5 and then root of p, right? So obviously if we have, for example, if we have square root of x is the same as x to the power 1 over 2. Do you agree? Okay. So meaning we can write this one as 5 1 over 2 root of p one tlhaloganya root of p as re change this whole thing re no change fela root square root sela ke re itse re ska modiwa as if square root of x is the same as x to the power 1/2, right? So how to check this one? So I want you guys to confirm something. If ba go file gore re na le 2 ke for example 2 to the power x and then after ra reng ra ba le y, do you think gore ntwe this thing e gana le 2 to the power y over x? Yes, because at the end or tlo kry ntsha o tshwana e tlo no 2 to the power x times y the same as 2 to the power y x times wa bona. So di a tshwana ke nto 1 guys ne. So le mo le e this one is the same as 5 root of p 1/2. wa bona mo nele a kere ka mo nele x ra re y, so ra tlisa e ka mo ra tsa re tisa ka ntlha. So we trying guys gore re khono re kry solution ya rena go tswalla pele. So ra root square root of 5 and then root of p is the same as what? As 5 root of p leng 1/2. Because re no swap fela re tlisa re e right tisa ka mohare ra tsa e ra insa kontle, because at the end how to multiply o tlo no kry half root of p la ntlha. So okay guys, ha re tswele pele. So from here na le 4 times 3 to the power minus 3 again. So hopole and then re na le so re na le 5 root of p 1/2. So re na le 5 root of p 1/2. So ha re boele morago re bone something, re bone something. Check na ba re feeling gore 5 root of p is equals to 64. So if more 5 root of p equals to 64, or re tlo re impla pila re tlo re 4 times 3 to the power minus 3 again, and then more than 5 root of p re bya 64. Ska le bala half fela go ntle kwana, ln raised to the power half ne. Therefore we punch mo calculating guys. Let's punch. Are we all getting the same answer? Re kry let's punch about this. I'm saying sorry guys. At the answer at the end okay, it's 1/54. What like really 1/54 guys? I hope so. So yeah guys, this way the main ways to kill a cat. The other methods are very good guys for solver 1.3 so I hope guys little hands. If more else please comment down below. Get start again. Easy peasy out.